On 3 wheels, a biker never has to worry about falling over. While this is important for children learning to ride, it becomes critical for adults who may have balance concerns. An adult tricycle gives individuals the ability to triumph over these challenges. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best adult tricycles that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle. Originally founded in 1895, Schwinn is one of the best-known bicycle brands in the world, and their flagship adult bike Schwinn Meridian is known as one of the best adult tricycles on the market today. With 26-inch 3 wheels, a large, cushioned and adjustable seat, and a super-low sturdy aluminum frame, this tricycle for adults ticks all the right boxes. It's durable, comfortable, and above all, very stable. The Schwinn Meridian Adult Trike has a wide wheel position and wide upright handlebars, providing a stable, smooth ride even on rough terrains. At 73 pounds, this is a heavy adult tricycle bike, no doubt about that, but this is also what makes it so durable and stable. And with a weight limit of 300 pounds, it's perfect for slightly larger folks as well as those who like to carry groceries on their bike. Speaking of which, this 3-wheel bike comes with a large rear basket that can easily fit several grocery bags or a small pet. Available in 26-inch or 24-inch wheels and various colors, the Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle is a great all-around single-speed trike. Pros: good quality trike from a trusted brand. Super stable and comfortable. Good weight capacity. Cons: heavy, so not great for riding on hills. Number 2. Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle. If you're looking to get a full-body, low-impact workout with a trike, check out the Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle. Recumbent bikes allow you to exercise your glute muscles, thighs, and calves with less strain on your joints, and they're comfier than traditional bicycle and tricycle models. This particular recumbent trike comes with a durable, adjustable frame with 10 slots that can accommodate anyone from 4 foot to 6'2" in height. The Mobo Triton is a single-speed cruiser tricycle, so it's quite slow, but this also makes it uncomplicated and great for exercising. Its ergonomic seat provides evenly cushioned back support, so riding is comfortable and easy on the back and shoulders. This said, if you have serious back or hip problems, this is not the right adult tricycle for you. To get on a traditional tricycle, all you need to do is swing your leg over the low frame and you're done. With a recumbent bike, you have to actually bend down to get on the bike and then position yourself right. Recumbent trikes are first and foremost excellent for low-impact exercise, and they're also incredibly fun to ride. Pros: ergonomic, padded seat is super comfortable. Great for low-impact, full-body exercise. Lightweight construction, easy to transport. Cons: no cargo basket. Number 3. Slsy Adult Tricycle 7-Speed. The Slsy Adult Tricycle is an affordable but reliable 7-speed model with a sturdy frame that can support riders weighing up to 350 pounds. It's available with 20, 24, and 26-inch wheels, so pretty much all riders should be able to find the right model regardless of their height. The 20-inch wheel model is suitable for 4'11", 5 feet 10 inches rider height. Unlike most cheap tricycles, the Slsy trike comes with an adjustable and sufficiently padded seat with a backrest. This said, it's not the biggest seat out there. In fact, it's on the smaller side, so it may not be ideal for bigger folks. On the plus side, it's pretty comfy and the trike is stable on various types of road surfaces. We also like the large basket that can fit multiple grocery bags, as well as the water bottle holder. For such an affordable tricycle, the Slsy Strike sure packs a punch. Pros: ideal for folks looking for some back support. Comfortable and stable. Great value strike. Cons: difficult to assemble. Number 4. Barbella Adult Tricycle. On the hunt for the best adult trike? Well, we have one that you're sure to love, the Barbella Adult Tricycle. This one is perfect for trips in all kinds of terrain and cityscapes, making it a wonderful choice if you want to pedal to work, school, or while running errands. With unique color schemes, you'll get shades like apple green, light pink, burgundy, and other remarkable selections that are sure to capture some attention. Stylish, full-wrap fenders offer a clean modernity combined with old-school vibes. Lightweight alloy rims always provide a smooth and even ride, along with the large, soft saddle which is great for extended periods of time. It's definitely a tricycle that means business, with sturdy carbon steel construction and high-quality iron. Aside from being able to handle just about anything you throw at it, it can also support up to 331 pounds, combined rider and cargo weight. The large wheels will keep heavier loads stable and secure, too, so your bag or food doesn't fall out from the basket that comes in the rear of the bike. The only downside for us was the fact that the included instructions were simply not very clear, so it's best if you have someone who can help you put it together. Key features. Style, Tricycle. Speeds, 7. Wheel size, 2.4. Colors, 11. Basket, yes. Number 5. Mantis Tri-Rad Adult Unisex Folding Tricycle. The Mantis Tri-Rad Adult Tricycle features a folding frame that helps reduce its size by almost half when not in use, helping you save precious space. In addition to being foldable, the Mantis upright trike comes in 6-speed or single-speed options and 20-inch or 24-inch wheel models. Opt for a 6-speed geared model if you're a bit more adventurous and want a faster trike, or for a single-speed option if you're looking for an uncomplicated folding bike that you can predominantly ride on smooth terrain. With a low-cut frame and parking brake, the Tri-Rad tricycle is pretty easy to mount and dismount. The same frame is built from steel, so it's both highly durable and able to carry heavier loads, up to 330 pounds to be precise, making it a great option for heavier folks. For additional support and comfort, Mantis opted for a large padded seat, while the front wheel fender helps prevent water from splashing up on you from the wheel. The rear wheels don't have fenders, though. Thanks to the super large rear basket, you can effortlessly carry loads of groceries or take your pup on a ride with you. For a cheap tricycle, Mantis Tri-Rad sure is packed with great features. Pros. Easy to store, easy to transport. One of the more affordable trikes. Great customer service. Cons. Requires full assembly, which can be tricky.